Hi, I'm going to show you how to use Python packages in an HPC environment as part of the course using Python in an HPC environment. So using packages, Python packages in general is important wherever environment you're working in, because Python packages are pieces of tested Python code written by others, debugged by others. You want to use their code instead of writing your own code. Probably as a scientist this is not a big problem, because you're probably using packages with methods for your own research anyways. Probably you're not going to write your own Python package. In an HPC environment, software modules are also very important, because they allow you to activate your favorite software from any version. And different users can use different versions of the same software. In that way, all users are happy, or are as happy as they can be. Using software of a specific version also helps assure reproducible research. So in an HPC cluster you will need to load software modules, but then you need to also get your Python packages out. And in this session, we're going to load a software module that has the Python package we need. So instead of installing the Python package ourselves, we're going to use the Python packages that are already installed on that HPC cluster. For Tetralith, because that's where this video is about, we're going to do this exercise. So first I will talk you through the exercise so that we have an idea what we're going to do. And then I'm going to do them in detail. So first we need to log in to Tetralith, and then, and we've already done this before, day 1, had a video. This session is in day 2. At day 1 we practiced this already, and there you can also find the answer. So when logged into Tetralith, we're gonna load this Python version, and then we confirm that our Python package that we're looking for is absent. So on Tetralith we're gonna look for the SciPy Python package. Spoiler, it will be absent, because then we're going to load a module to make it present, to activate it. So we're going to find a software module to load that package, and we use the documentation of the HPC Center to do so. You can also use the module system if you prefer that. So we're going to look for the SciPy Python package. We find the module where it's in, we're going to load that module. We're going to confirm that indeed we can now use it, and then we're done. So that is what this exercise is about. Let's start actually doing it. So step 1 is log into your HPC cluster. So I am already logged into Tetralith. And on Tetralith I'm going to load this Python version. So we have already done this the day before. I'm just going to check the answer here. This is how you load this Python version on Tetralith. I'm just going to copy paste it, and now I have it. Now we're going to confirm that SciPy is absent, and to do that, one way, there are many ways, but we're going to use piplist to see the list of installed Python packages. And this is used on all HPC clusters, including Tetralith. So on Tetralith we see that SciPy is not installed, else it would have been here. Now we're going to find the software module to load the package. So we look for the SciPy package. Now we're going to look in the documentation which software module we need to load. And for that I'm going to search the internet. To start in a new tab, I write down SciPy, Tetralith, NSC. Let's see what we get. Python at NSC. Oh, that looks good. And we're going to look for SciPy. Is it there? Yeah, it's there. Turn up. Sure, let's see how to get it. Module load. This is how to install it. That's not very helpful. Not helpful. Not helpful, not helpful, not helpful. Modular fill Python. This is using virtual environments. We're going to do that. I'm going to search for SciPy directly then. SciPy. Maybe this one. So if I have been checking this one, I'm gonna. Alright, let's see if the word SciPy is in there somewhere. Well, I don't see it. Maybe it is. Well, I'm going to give up for now. I'm going to take a look at the documentation. Is it documented anywhere at all? Let's refresh this page. Where is this documented? So on Tetralith you can find it here apparently. And I'm going to look for the word SciPy again. But where can I find it? So apparently it was present already. It used to be present, so maybe I just need to use a different version of Python to have it installed. That is a way. There's apparently, so I can't find it here very easily. Can I use the module system? Let's take a look if we can do that. Module spider SciPy. Maybe this gives us a hint how to activate. Hey, it is a bundle. Alright, so I'm going to just load this thing. This probably will not work. Sometimes you get an error, sometimes it does. We'll see. I'll load this bundle. Yeah, sure. That says I cannot run yet. You need to read this. All right, so I need to read that. And let's see what I need to load. So I need to load one of these two packages. I'm gonna just load the latest one there. Module load there. Then I'm gonna load this thing. Great. So now I have loaded the software module. This is how I loaded the software module. Take a look at the answer. If I've done the right thing, module. Alright, so here they suggest to just use a different Python version. That also works. Now we're going to confirm if it is present. So pip list. Now SciPy should be present. And let's see if that works. There we have the list of installed Python packages, and here we have SciPy. So this means we can now get our package to work in an HPC environment. This means I'm now done in showing you how to use Python packages, how to get Python packages to work in an HPC environment for Tetralith. With this, I wish you a very good day. Bye!